Alright, so here's how you change a 2012 Chevy Tahoe running headlight right there. Simply take these two screws off, here and here. One is on top, one is in the front. Get yourself a little container. It's maybe 2 inches across in diameter. Reach down in there. You can simply pop the back off with a screwdriver if you can't reach it, and you can get this side with your hand, and then take the bulb out, simply replace it with an H11, and then all you have to do is simply remove this and it will pop back in, and you can put the screws on. Done. Have a great day.